Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see 7 looks, 1 palette with the brand new Blood Money palette. This is such a amazing palette. I cannot stress that enough. I had so much fun playing with this palette. Like, these shades are like top-notch gorgeous. Now, I know my last review was kind of like, you know, a little bit negative, but not so much. But this one, you guys, this is gonna be a good one. So this is the final look that I did, which you guys will see, and if you can't tell, I kind of have this weird like ring going on around my eyes. That's because the green kind of stained my eyes a little bit, but I think that's, oh, I don't really know what that is about, but whatever. But this palette is so good. I loved all the looks that I created. This one is like my least favorite. I was kind of like trying a little experiment, but it just didn't work out. It's just, oh, you guys, look how pretty it is. Oh, I just cannot. It's so good. I absolutely loved all the looks that I created. Let me go ahead and show you like the box that it came in, and then we'll get into the video. But like, y'all, look at this box. How freaking cute is just this box itself? And then like, hello, it came in this. I thought this was like a mirror or something that showed up on my door, but no, just money paper. Like, I want to frame this. Is that weird? And I want to keep the money paper because it's just so unique. But yeah, I had such a great time with this palette. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the looks that I created with it. Yeah, I'm not really gonna give you like final thoughts. I'm just gonna give them to you right now. But I really enjoyed the palette. Like, I don't even know how to explain it other than the fact that I just really enjoyed this palette, like a ton. So definitely, if you enjoy these types of videos from me where I do like, you know, 7, 10 looks, 1 palette. I haven't done 10 looks in a very long time. Or have I ever? Probably not. If you enjoy these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up, especially for this 4K quality here. Hopefully it's really good. I'm filming in 4K for the first time ever, so I'm not exactly sure how this is going to turn out until I'm editing, but let me tell you, the zoom and the autofocus and then the manual focus and all that was hard, so give us a thumbs up for effort, and especially because it's going to take me forever to edit this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And my final thing that I want to say, I am using the Heather style lash from Noella Lashes. These lashes are so good. So if you want to get the same lashes as me, there's 3 different styles: Heather, Fiona, and Mia. You can shop Noella Lashes in the description box down below. It's a very dear friend of mine. She just started a small business, so go support a small business and get some high quality, amazing lashes. If you guys want to see the lashes in action, I'm using the biggest, fluffiest ones in a how I apply false lashes do's and don'ts as like a beginner that really has no idea what she's doing. I'll have it linked below as well. But anyways, thank you guys so much for listening to this little bit here that I had to say. Now let's go into all 7 looks that I created with this palette. Let's go ahead and get it.
afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me. Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help you out.
Okay, you guys, so you saw all 7 looks. I want to hear all your thoughts and opinions down in the description, not the description, the comment section. It's been a long day. I've been filming this for three and a half hours. So anyways, let me know what your favorite look is down below. Do you have more than one favorite look? Are you gonna recreate any of these looks? Did you get this palette? Let me know, because it's so good and all of that. Like, I had no problems with this, like none, no blending problems, no nothing. Like, it's just really good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys so much. Did I say that like in a weird like way where it just kind of all meshed together? I appreciate you guys so much. But anyways, thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.